In this video I'm going to show you how I made this faux marble and copper side table. I started by printing off a template of a hexagon on several pieces of A4 paper and sticking them down to an offcut of 18mm plywood. This was left over from my plywood folding sofa build. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to finish this one, then head over there and watch that. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I used some 3M spray glue to temporarily hold the paper onto the wood. I cut the large piece off with a handsaw and then took it over to the bandsaw to cut out the hexagon shape. I took some white primer and put on a few coats of the wood to cover all the plywood and make sure it was a solid white colour. Then the magic. I took some of this marble spray paint. It works by splitting the paint almost like silly string and makes this really cool organic marble effect. This was from a company called Craig & Rose, but I think Montana also do one. I found it's best to start spraying off the piece and then continue spraying while moving onto the piece. This gives you the most natural looking spray. These hairpin legs were also taken from another project, but the plain steel just didn't look great, so I took some copper metallic spray paint and gave it a good couple of coats for a nice even colour. To finish the table I did a couple of coats of gloss polyurethane, but I think I'll add a couple more layers just to build up the glossy look. I'm really happy with the final table. For a list of items and materials used, check out the written guide. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.